up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Junior. Since we are currently quarantined and we can't go outside and do anything, I thought I would give you guys an apartment tour. No? Okay. I did a video a couple months ago and I took you guys to IKEA with me. We went shopping, showed you guys what I bought. I was supposed to make a part 2 and I never did. So, I mean, we're quarantined now, no excuses. I just want to say, you know, like I'm blessed for everything I've been able to get. I'm blessed to have a job. I'm blessed to be able to have my own place, you know? And no way am I trying to like brag about like what I have and stuff. Like I just feel like it would be fun to do this video because one, quarantined, have nothing to do. Yeah, I have friends and family that have been wanting me to like make a video and stuff. I don't think I'm ever gonna be like 100% satisfied with decorating my place. Just know that, you know, like I still wanting to make changes like here and there. Let's go. So first, I felt like this wall was like super plain when I moved in. So I bought these frames from IKEA. I think they were like $9 each. The photos inside the frames came in a pack of 3. Bought that one pack, put them all together, and bam. Next is this table. I got it off of Amazon. Originally thought it was gonna be like a lot taller. It's kind of short. It does the job, I guess. I don't ever eat there unless like guests come over. So the next spot we're going to is my kitchen. Here is where all the cooking happens. Just kidding, no, I don't cook for shit. Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to my living room, you guys. This is where I spend most of my time, watching YouTube, watching Netflix, doing my homework. This is my favorite, one of my favorite parts of my apartment. If you guys seen the first video where I went to IKEA to go shopping for my apartment, they had a showroom that looked exactly like that. They had colored photos and I wanted to have like black and white because it's kind of like my vibes, you know? The couch is from Living Spaces. This little coffee table here is also from IKEA. I pretty much bought everything from IKEA. If someone from IKEA is watching this, like just sponsor me already. Come on, bro. Like, come on. Anyways, I got this little side table from IKEA. Same thing with this faux palm tree. Then we also have Max. This is Max's little corner over here. How you doing, Max? You chilling? You chilling, bro? All Gucci? Yeah? Cool. We have the entertainment side of my living room. And then I have a bunch of little magazines right here. And then this mirror right here. I love it, you know, like we just, before we leave, you know, we just stop by real quick, do a quick outfit check, you know, and then leave. Well, I love this. I nailed it on the wall and I put like little LED lights around it. So at night, I pretty much just turn on the lights and it looks pretty dope. So that's my living room. Next, I'm gonna show you guys the patio. Alright, so now the next thing I want to show you guys is my office space. Alright guys, so the next room is going to be my office slash editing room. Hey. So pretty much I spend a lot of time here editing my videos, editing my friends' videos. This is pretty much my office space, my man cave. I love it. I want to say this is like my favorite room in my whole apartment because like I love editing. Putting a bunch of things like together to make a story. I love it. I have my old MacBook, so this is pretty much where I do all my editing. Then I have my new MacBook that I just recently purchased. I want to start using this for editing. It's like super lightweight. It's a lot lighter than this one right here. So, you know, if I'm ever like traveling and wanting to just like edit or even like do my homework, this one is like way better. So slowly I'm gonna start like transitioning all my stuff to this computer right here. If you can see, I have a mic here as well. My friend Melly wanted to do a podcast, so I told her I was down. So like I bought a regular like cheap mic off of Amazon and I wanted to like test it out, and the sound quality is actually really good, and I love how like the setup looks here. So Melly, I'm trying to do some podcasts, man. I'm trying to do some videos. Let's go. Let's make that content. Another favorite thing about this room, LED lights. So basically whenever I'm just like chilling, working on my editing and all that stuff, I like to turn on these LED lights and change the colors, kind of just get in the zone, you know, just get in my own little world. But I love having my LED lights. The little vibe I like to have, I guess. Yeah, that's just the last thing I wanted to show you guys about this room. So let's go on to the next one. Let's start off with this side here. There's these frames that I saw at Target that I really wanted so bad, and they didn't have them, so I decided to make my own. Then I have all my hygiene stuff, you know, wash your hands, wash your hands. Then another canvas that I made myself. I seen it on a YouTube video and I was like bored. Oh, actually, okay, so when I made that one, it came with 3. That's the 3rd one. I never used it, so I was just like, I'll wait till one day, like whenever I want to create a new one. But yeah, I decided to kind of make my own because this was plain, that wall was plain, and yeah. Up here, I pretty much just have paper towels, toilet paper. Here I have like more toilet paper, more toilet paper. What else? Here, I think I'm just stocked with like hygiene stuff, some toothpaste, and then some more shampoos, body washes, and stuff like that. This is a little basket of like things that people have left here. So if you're missing shit, come pick it up, people. Then we have like all of Max's clothes, it's Christmas sweaters, his Adidas outfits, camouflage outfits. Pretty much all of Max's little clothes are right here on Max. So that is my bathroom. Nothing too crazy. The thing I'm going to show you guys is my closet. Cool thing is that you could access my closet from my room and from the restroom. My coworkers ask me all the time because they always see me wearing black. They always ask me if I have colored clothes, and I do actually. I just never wear it. We're almost done with the apartment tour. So now, next thing I'm gonna show you guys is my room. So here is my room. Hey Max, this is a matching set from the couch that I have in the living room. I got this from Sam's Club. It was a good price. It was like 15 bucks. And here, sometimes you'll see me take some selfies here, you know, with my boy Max, just chilling. Take a photo, Max? No? No? I got these nightstands from IKEA as well. You know, I gotta have my Bath and Body Works black tie. Here's some photos of New York. Then here, my friend Ariel actually gave me this because I was gonna buy one, and she said she actually had one. So she was like, here, you can keep mine. And it was the exact same one I was gonna buy. So Ariel, shout out to you, girl. All right, one more thing. I mentioned this earlier. I love having LED lights all over my place. Whenever I'm chilling, just watching a movie or something, I like to turn on my lights. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Bam. All right, so I have two lights here in front of the door. And then I'll also have some lights behind the mirror that I have. So it's pretty cool when you're just here chilling, watching a TV show or something. But yeah, it's pretty much my room. If you guys aren't subscribed already, please subscribe, hit the like button. If you guys want to know when I post more videos, hit that notification bell. I'm kind of posting like every month now, so such a great YouTuber. Until next time, you guys.